Thank you for watching. Title: Medical Science Liaison, New York, VT, NH, Me and Western Ma. Date of posting of job, May 20, 2025. Location, FS Sun. Company, Sun Pharmaceutical Industries, Inc., USA. Sun Pharma is the world's fourth largest specialty generics company with presence in specialty, generics and consumer healthcare products. Supported by more than 40 manufacturing facilities, we provide high-quality medicines, trusted by healthcare professionals and patients, to more than 100 countries across the globe. Over the last 2 decades, Sun Pharma has established itself as a leading player in the generics market in the US, and we are rapidly ramping up our presence in the specialty branded market with a focus on dermatology, ophthalmology, and onco-dermatology. Job summary. The Medical Science Liaison, MSL, will represent Sun Pharmaceutical, Sun. The MSL will primarily identify and engage with a targeted group of national and regional thought leaders/healthcare professionals, HCPs, as well as payers and managed care accounts, providing the consistent delivery of educational and compliant scientific information in support of dermatology products. The MSLs will engage with HCPs, NPS, and PA who are in clinical practice caring for their patients. They will be trained to respond to complex inquiries in a scientific, fair, balanced, compliant manner, serving as a critical field medical resource to these HCPs and also, internal Sun sales and managed markets constituents. Responsibilities. Interact with healthcare providers and thought leaders to communicate and advance the scientific platform as aligned with Sun's corporate goals and objectives. Communicate complex scientific information and research concepts to HCPs. Provide clinical and economic value information to payers and formulary decision makers. Identify and train members of Sun's Speakers Bureau and ensure they are updated on new data. Respond to requests for investigator-sponsored research, ISS, proposals and transit them into Sun and present the research to Sun for review. They will become the point of contact with the HCPs if ISS research is accepted and funded by Sun. Support Sun-sponsored research. Provide feedback based on field interactions with healthcare providers and thought leaders to Sun stakeholders. Respond to scientific inquiries consistent with the MSL compliance standards. Foster scientific relationships between Sun and fellows in training. Lead and/or participate on committees or project teams that support MSL strategies and tactics as delegated by MSL leadership. Seek out opportunities to support the MSL value proposition, achieve results, and set an example for others to follow by consistently demonstrating Sun values and leadership attributes. Must have the ability to gain customer feedback, uncover business opportunities for Sun and pair customers' unmet needs with available internal resources. Must be a strong team player who can effectively interface with Sun clinical and commercial personnel, as well as aid in training of Sun staff. Demonstrate tact and professionalism when communicating and interacting with others. Comply with all applicable Sun healthcare compliance SOPs and U.S. regulations. Qualifications. Doctorate/terminal degree required, e.g., PharmD, MD, DO, DNP or PhD. Dermatology background strongly preferred. 1 to 3 years of clinical, research and/or field medical experience preferred. Thorough grasp of the pharmaceutical industry, FDA requirements, and PHRMA code. Strong interpersonal, organizational, team, written and verbal communication skills. Strong presentation and education skills, ability to communicate clinical and non-clinical technical information effectively. Demonstrated project management ability. Travel up to 60 to 70%. Proficiency in Microsoft Office Suite applications. Valid driver's license. The presently anticipated base compensation pay range for this position is $152,500 to $186,500. Actual base compensation may vary based on a number of factors, including but not limited to geographical location and experience. In addition, this position is part of the annual performance bonus plan. Employees are eligible to participate in company employee benefit programs which include medical, dental and vision coverage, life insurance, disability insurance, 401k savings plan, flexible spending accounts, and the Employee Assistance Program. Employees also receive various paid time off benefits, including vacation time and sick time. The compensation and benefits described above are subject to the terms and conditions of any governing plans, policies, practices, agreements, or other materials or documents as in effect from time to time, including but not limited to terms and conditions regarding eligibility. If hired, employee will be in an at-will position and the company reserves the right to modify base salary, as well as any other discretionary payment or compensation program, at any time, including for reasons related to individual performance, company or individual department/team performance, and market factors. The preceding job description has been designed to indicate the general nature and level of work performed by employees within this classification. It is not designed to contain or be interpreted as a comprehensive inventory of all duties, responsibilities, and qualifications required of employees as assigned to this job. Nothing herein shall preclude the employer from changing these duties from time to time and assigning comparable duties or other duties commensurate with the experience and background of the incumbent. We provide equal employment opportunities for all current employees and applicants for employment. This policy means that no one will be discriminated against because of race, religion, creed, color, national origin, nationality, citizenship, ancestry, sex, age, marital status, physical or mental disability, affectional or sexual orientation, military or veteran status, generic predisposing characteristics or any other basis prohibited by law. Notice to agency and search firm representatives. Sun Pharmaceuticals, Sun, is not accepting unsolicited resumes from agencies and/or search firms for this job posting. Resumes submitted to any Sun employee by a third-party agency and/or search firm without a valid written and signed search agreement, will become the sole property of Sun. No fee will be paid if a candidate is hired for this position as a result of an unsolicited agency or search firm referral. The link to apply online and all important details are provided in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. All the best for this vacancy, and thank you for watching.